welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys one of the easiest wig installs, and honestly this is by far one of my new favorite wigs. This is my first time trying out this brand. This is by the brand RPG Hair. I do want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. Other than that, I will let you guys know my full honest opinion about this wig. I'll give you guys more details during the wig install. This is their Wear and Go Glueless 9x6 with an HD lace. It's pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. This was super easy to install. Before we get started, if you guys love beauty, fashion, lifestyle content, girly content, just any content that makes you feel feminine or extra feminine, then you guys would definitely love it over here. This is what the package looks like once you receive your hair from RPG Hair. It comes with a pamphlet letting you know the information about the hair. The hair comes with a protective satin case, so once you're done with it, you could just easily put it back in there. As you can see, the knots are pre-bleached and the hair just looks like scalp with a perfect and seamless natural hairline. On the inside of the wig, it comes with a silicone non-slip wig band, which is suitable for small and medium sizes. And what I love about this wig is that it comes with a C-shaped ear fit design, so that means it can fit with all head shapes and it's not going to be uncomfortable to wear. The wig cap does come with 3 removable combs and a non-slip removable elastic band. With those main details about the wig, that's going to help the wig not move and not slip off, especially when you decide to wear it with no glue. The hair does come with goodies, so it comes with 2 HD wig caps, and these are really good wig caps, a comb, an edge brush, and an edge band. I have the wig cap on, and I'll link a video below on how I do my hair without braiding my hair for a wig. It's super quick and easy, and I have thick hair, so it actually works. Right now I'm just wiping off my forehead with the alcohol swab just to remove any oils that I have, because I am going to be using a spray with the wig, even though you can wear with no glue, no spray, nothing. But I don't want to take this wig off. I will show you guys my routine, how I fully secure it in the middle of the video. As you can see, it was beyond easy to put on, and I didn't have to put any type of effort to really make sure that it doesn't slip off. No matter if I turn my head to the left or right, up or down, it's secured and it looks like my scalp. It only takes under 30 seconds to throw on, and you don't need to make sure that it blends into your scalp because of the HD lace. And it's not a fake HD lace either, it blends into all skin tones. This next step is very optional, but like I said, I don't want to take off this wig. I really want to wear this wig for about 3 days or so. I'm just using my 𝐼𝐴 Wonder Lace spray to help me with that. I'm going to be using the rat tail comb that they gave me just to make sure that it's laid down. Once I'm done with that, I'm going in with the blow dryer just to make sure that it's 100% dry, and then I'll go in with another layer. I believe I have went in with 3 or 4 layers. All of the products that I'll be using in this video will be linked down below, so check out my description box for more information. I did section it because it is 9 inches in the front, and if I just do it all at once at the same time, it would have been kind of difficult for me, so I started in the middle, then I worked my way to the sides. And by the way, I did have the blow dryer on a cool to warm setting. You don't need to have any skills to figure out how to put this wig on. Pretty much you skip 4 steps because the wig comes the way that it is and you can just simply throw it on. I'm going to be letting that melt for about 10 minutes or so using the edge band that they had gifted me. This is how the hair looks without no product in it yet. It looks super natural and it looks like it could be my hair texture. Since this was my first time trying out this hair, I was nervous about the shedding, but this hair has minimal to no shedding. The last step that I'm going to do for the lace is using the 𝐼𝐴 lace melt spray. This is like the cherry on top for my lace wigs. This is going to help make the lace look 100% more invisible. I don't need a lot of it, all I need is a few sprays, then I'll be going in with the blow dryer. Once I'm done, I'm just going to be wiping any type of spray residue that I have on my forehead. Then I'm just going to be melting my lace one more time, and I'm going to leave that on while I do my makeup. The face is beat and now I'm ready to straighten this hair. I could have done my makeup before applying the wig, but since I was using a spray, I didn't want the makeup in the spray to like make my makeup look weird on my forehead, you know? The hair length that I decided to get is 22 inches while the density is 200%. Before I straighten my hair, I have to go in with a heat protectant spray, and I'm just using the one that I have from 𝐿𝐼𝐿. I'm not going to be too perfect while I straighten my hair because the hair is already straight. The hair is just wavy from it being in the package. I'm also going to be using a 𝐿𝐼𝐿 straightener that I have recently just got, and I absolutely love because it's not only a straightener, it's also a curler. It's super easy to straighten this wig since the hair is just naturally straight already, and the straightener itself works really good. The hair looks so silky and smooth. I cannot wait to show you guys the end result. Okay, some more details about this hair is that this is the natural color of the hair. It's 100% human hair. It has a pre-cut lace and it's 100% glueless. It has a 9x6 lace wig cap. It has a pre-plucked hairline. You do not have to pre-pluck it, and that's also another reason that I love these type of wigs. I do not like pre-plucking my own wigs. The lace is 100% a real HD lace and the hair density is 200%. That's a lot of hair. The knots are pre-bleached like I had mentioned, and the wig cap size is 22 to 23 inches, so that's a normal average size cap. You can get this hair in 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, or 24 inches. You can get the hair in 180% density, but I like the 200. It looks way better in my opinion. It is optional if you want your wig to come with the removable elastic band. Next, I'm going in with the 𝐒𝐵OMB wax stick. I love this wax stick a lot. It really melts into my hair and it just works really good with the hot comb. I am going in with the hot comb just to make sure that the top of the hair is flat. With this hair, you can part it in the middle or do a side part, but since I didn't do a middle part in so long, I just had to this time. With using a hot comb, it's gonna help straighten the pieces or areas that I couldn't reach with the hair straightener. Next, I'm going in with some translucent powder because it kind of looks shiny on top where my hairline is, and I need that part to look matte so I can look more realistic. I'm going to be adding a light concealer on the hairline so it can match better. This is how the hair looks once I'm done straightening it. I did miss an area, but besides that, like, this hair looks so good. It looks so shiny, silky, perfect. I love this hair so much. With the hair length being 22 inches, it does look pretty long on me since I am 5 feet. Then lastly, I'm just adding some edge control on the sides of my baby hair so they can look more put together. This is how the hair looks once it's done. Stay tuned towards the end of this video to know my final thoughts and opinions about this hair. So this is how the hair looks. I am absolutely in love with this hair. I love the pre-cut lace on it, and I love how it's pre-plucked, and I definitely don't have to worry about a glue or spray. It has minimal to no shedding, but this was so easy to install, like super easy. It's so comfortable to wear because of this part right here that you guys seen at the beginning of the video. It's super comfortable in this area, not just this area but also the sides of our head. You can lay your edges or add baby hairs if you want to, but lately I've been loving the no baby hairs look. Whenever I do straighten my natural hair, I don't usually do baby hairs anyway. I will just leave my hair just like this. Let me know what you guys think about this hair. Have you ever tried out RPG hair? And if you did, what do you think about them? If you guys have any questions or concerns, please let me know in the comments. You guys know I always answer. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the harmony. And of course, click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload, okay? So I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.